Welcome to our presentation of the Gamora online shopping system. Our team members are Tan Chai-yin, Tan Hui-min, and also Tammy Tan Chen-hai. My name is Tan Hui-min, Ministry Normal 2963. I would like to present about the introduction. Gamora is an online shopping system inspired by platforms like Temu, Shein, Shopee, and Lazada. Gamora will be a mobile application with a focus on clean and intuitive user interface. We aim to create the robust, user-friendly, and secure platform. For this project, we are demonstrate careful planning, thorough testing, and best practice in software development. This is our main objective. Our objective for Gamora focus on creating a seamless and secure online shopping experience by providing an easy-to-use platform, secure payment, personalized recommendation, and effective order management. We also aim to meet a need of modern consumer. Additionally, offering tool for seller and multi-feedback option ensure a well-rounded and enhancing experience for all users. Through continuously improvement and user feedback, Gamora will evolve to stay relevant and effective in the online shopping. Next, selected process model. In planning, we set a goal for Gamora feature and user experience. We talk with stakeholders together and prioritize what users need. Then, we make a list of features to work on, called the product backlog. In design, we pair spin and PR user story to work on. We create a wireframes and prototype to show how the feature will look and got the feedback from stakeholders. For development, we work instead to build the feature. We had a daily meeting to talk about the progress and solve any problem. For testing, we test the feature as we build them to make sure they work well. At the end of each sprint, users test the feature and get a feedback for improvement. For development, we release upgrade a small part. Some users got a new feature regularly. We also want to know how users interact with Gamora to get an idea for future. For the review and list of practice, at the end of each sprint, we show the feature to stakeholders and got a feedback. We also had a meeting to talk about what went well and what we could do better next time. Lastly, for the maintenance and continual improvement, after launching, we provide a support to fix any issue. We use the user feedback to plan future upgrades and make sure the Gamora keep improving to meet user.
Next, we are going to look at the requirements for this project. So we have total 12. For the first functional requirements, there is user registration and authentication. So the users include customer and sellers. They can create accounts with unique username or password or via social media logins. For the admins and seller, the secure login and logout and MFA is provided, and they can use the account recovery through email and SMS. So they can also edit their profile, includes their username, shipping address, contact details, and payment methods. The second functional requirement is product browsing and search. Users can browse products by selecting the filters like category, price range, or popularity. The search feature with live suggestions, they are based on keywords, product names, and tags. Sorting options like price, ratings, new arrivals, and personalized recommendations. Product details like descriptions, price, size, or colors, ratings, and image will also display. Next, product management for sellers. Sellers can list their products, including product title, description, price, stock, available, and image in categories. So sellers can also update or delete their product listing in real time. Next is shopping cart functional requirement. So users are allowed to add, update, and remove their products in cart. The card can display the product in the card will display the total price, include taxes, discounts, and shipping fees. It will show product availability and notifies users about the low stock or expiring items. Card items are retained across sessions for registered users. About the order management, users can proceed to checkout with multiple payment options. For example, maybe they can choose credit or debit card, e-wallet, or through FPX. The users can apply promo codes. Order summary includes seller details, product details, shipping address, and order ID will be displayed. The order are tracking in real time also. For the payment processing, integration with secure payment gateways like credit, debit cards, e-wallets, and online banking. PCI DSS compliance, payment receipts, transaction history is available for subscriptions. It supports the recurring payments in monthly or yearly. Order history and tracking. It allows users to view their past order details, include status, delivery, tracking, returns, or refunds. The notifications for orders shipped out for delivery or delivered is also notified for the users. Real-time delivery tracking integrated is available also. Next, the customer support. User can contact the customer support via chat, email, or phone number. The chat system includes FAQs and automated support for common issues, escalating to human agents when needed. Feedback and reviews allow users to leave their reviews, whether in comments, ratings, or uploading media for their purchased products. Reviews are moderated by AI and manually, and also we verify the buyer status show for the trusted reviews. User can ask questions on product pages which are answered by the seller or other buyers. Return and refund management. Users can initiate return requests within a specified period. Return labels are generated and return shipments are tracked. The refunds can be processed through the original payment method or just giving them the store credits like vouchers or points. The notification and alerts. Users will receive push notifications and email alerts for the key events like order confirmations, shipping tracking, promotions, stock alerts, and special offers. The last one is admin dashboard. Admin have access to an advanced dashboard to manage the products, categories, promotions, real-time user activities, order management, and their inventories. Includes reporting tools for sales, user engagement, and platform performance. Admin can also manage seller performance. The non-functional requirements are also important for this project, so we have total 7 of them. The first one non-functional requirement is the performance requirement. Glamora system must ensure that product pages, search result, and navigation load in less than 1 second for optimal user experience. The users should able to check out and cart pages load in under 3 seconds, especially during the peak traffic and sales events. Next, security requirement. Multi-factor authentication (MFA) is mandatory for admin and seller accounts. For the customer, they must have strong password policies like mix of uppercase, lowercase numbers, and special characters in their password. The system also implement role-based access control (RBAC) for restricted access to sensitive features. The usability requirements include the user interface. There should be clean, intuitive, and responsive across mobile devices. Glamora system must comply with WCAG accessibility standards also. Maintainability requirements make sure systems should use modular code for easier maintenance and updates. Automated unit integration and UI tests must be implemented. Logging and monitoring systems must track errors and performance. Comprehensive technical documentation should be available. About the cultural requirements, the platform should support cultural diversity with localized content. Includes multiple languages like English, Malay, Mandarin for the Malaysian area, local currencies, region-specific payment methods, and consideration for local customs, holidays, and festivals. The legal requirement. Glamora system must comply with local and international data protection laws. User also need to be informed of their rights to control personal data, including options to delete. Last look and feel requirement. The platform should be easy to navigate with a clear structure. Key sections like home, shop, my account, shopping cart, order history, and support should be easily accessible via top level or sidebar navigation bars with clear labeling. Next, we're going to the system testing session. We take product browsing and search as the testing case, and our testing method is black box testing. The reason we choose it is because it is the end user focused method and no need for the first test case is to verify the product search functionality using a valid keyword. The preconditions is the user must log in and on the homepage. They will enter keyword laptop in the search bar and press search or hit enter. So the result should be search result displaying a list of products related to the keyword laptop. So the product match the search query, including title, image, price. Next, it should verify the product filtering functionality by price range. The user is logged in and on the product search result page. Perform a search for a product category or keyword like laptop. Apply the price filter and click apply filters. The result should be only the product within the specified price range to be displayed. The third case is testing The third case is testing the search functionality when an invalid keyword is entered. User must be logged in and on the home page. Enter an invalid of nonsensical keyword and press search. So the system should display the message no result found for the keyword above and possibly suggest popular or fourth case, verify the personalized product recommendations based on user behavior. The users have browsed or purchased products in specific categories. Log into the platform, navigate to the home page, and check the recommended for you section. The system should display message no, should display products related to the user's past browsing or purchasing history, recommendations if the user previously viewed. Next, we're going to the difference test case is shopping cart. We choose integration testing for this case, and that is because it will ensure system components work together and helps identify. First, it will verify integration between shopping cart and product catalog. The user should log in and has add products to the cart. The user selects a product first from the catalog and adds into the cart. The user will open the shopping cart page and system will retrieve the product details from the product catalog and displays them in the cart include name, price, quantity, and the other details. The product's name, price, quantity, and the total cost should be displayed correctly in the cart matching the product catalog. The second test case is verify integration between shopping cart and user authentications. The user has product added to their cart, but it is not logged in. The user adds product to the cart and logs out, logs back in. The users will navigate to the shopping cart page, and the products that were added in the cart before the user logged in and logged out should still be in the cart after. Next, verify integration between shopping cart and payment processing. The user is logged in and has added products in the cart. They should be navigates to the checkout page from the shopping cart. The system retrieves the cart's total price and redirect to the payment processing page. And user select a payment method and completes the payment process. The system should pass the correct cart total to the payment processing module, and the user should be redirected to the payment gateway. The last test case is verify integration between shopping cart and order management system. The user is logged in, has added product to their cart and proceed to checkout. The user selects products from the cart and proceed to checkout. The order is placed successfully and the system creates an order in the order management system. The expected results is the order should be created in the order management system with the correct order ID, product details, and total price matching the shopping cart.
So I will continue for the following diagram, which is Gantt chart, use a class diagram and activity diagram. So for our Gantt chart, for the first quarter, first 2 weeks, we do the requirement gatherings and system design. And the second month, we do for development and unit testing. So for the third month, we use for integration testing and user testing and feedback. Last month, we do for refinement and bug fixing, deployment and documentation. And this is our class diagram. For our user, we connect to customer, cart, notification, review, and order. And cart with user is one-to-one connection. And notification and user is one notification can give many user, one review can give many user, and one order can made by many user. So for our product, one product can review by many user, and one payment can have many product. So this is our activity diagram for user register and auto. The second activity diagram is about checkout and make payment. And the next one is seller manage product diagram. Our last activity diagram is admin manage admin dashboard. So now let's look at the key risks we identified in developing the Gromara online shopping system and the strategy we implement to mitigate them. So the first one is estimation risk. This occurs when the time, cost, or resources needed for tasks are underestimated. For these, complex features such as secure checkout, inventory management, and user-friendly interface could easily lead to such risks. The impact includes project delay, budget overrun, and lower quality work due to rush timelines. To address this, we focus on through planning, leveraging historical data to save to such realistic timelines and resource needs. We allocated contingency reserve to handle unforeseen challenges. This appeals ensure a realistic project scope, avoid rush work, and provide a safety net to absorb a minor setback while maintaining high qualities. So the second risk is technology risk. Gramora relies on various tools and integrations such as payment gateway, third-party APIs, and cloud hosting. Issues like compatibility or performance failures can delay future completion, increase costs, or compromise user experience. To mitigate this, we implemented yearly testing in to identify and address technical issues in the initial phase. We also prepare alternative solutions such as backup API and payment gateway to maintain functionality in case primary technologies fail. This strategy safeguards Gromara's durability and ensure a seamless user experience even in the face of technical challenges. Finally, people risk. This includes issues like skill gaps and variability of key team members or team conflicts. For Gromara, skill developer, designer, and tester, as well as timely stakeholder input are crucial. The potential impact include delay poor quality deliverables and reduced morale. To tackle this, we concluded cross-training to equal team members with overlapping skills, enable them to cover for each other when needed. We also implemented a dynamic task relocation system to adapt to unexpected team challenges efficiently. This measure promotes teams' resilience, minimize disruption, and maintain steady progress, ensure a smooth project execution. So as a wrap-up this presentation, let me summarize these key takeaways and highlights of the Gromara project. So the key taken is Gromara represents the application of software engineering principle to develop a robust, user-friendly, and secure platform. Inspired by successful platforms like Shein, Lazada, and Shopee, we adopt best practices to deliver an enhanced shopping experience tolerant to modern user expectations. So for the project highlight, we also embrace agile methodologies which provide us with the flexibility to adapt to challenge requirements and incorporate feedback efficiently. This approach was instrumental in achieving our goals of delivering a seamless user experience from intuitive product search and browsing to the smooth integration of shopping cart and payment system. The developer process was structured around a comprehensive software development lifecycle, which include through planning to establish clear objectives and scope, iterative design and development, allow us to define features over time, rigorous testing to ensure reliability and functionality, and continuous improvement make the system adaptable to evolving needs. In addition, we implemented detailed risk management strategy to address challenges related to estimation technology and people. Proactive planning in this area allows us to maintain high quality standards and meet our deadlines. Thanks for watching.